I'm James Spinney, and here is your morning market brief. Once again, all attention turns to Europe. This after European Commission President José Manuel Barroso announced that he is looking to possibly introduce Euro bonds. He did say, however, that the introduction of the bonds will not help the region's current debt crisis. Meanwhile, French President Nicolas Sarkozy as well as German Chancellor Angela Merkel are expected to hold a teleconference today with Greek Prime Minister George Papandreou. Now, European markets early in the week did get quite the boost on speculation that China is looking to purchase Italian bonds. Today, however, Chinese President Wen Jiabao did state, in quotes, that countries must put their own houses in order. He also went on to state that developed nations in debt should cut their own deficits and make changes to their fiscal and monetary policy instead of depending on China for bailouts. In India, inflation figures rose 9.78% year over year compared to a 9.22% rise the previous month. Inflation now is at its highest level for the nation in more than a year and a half, and India's central bank is expected to hike its interest rates by 25 basis points in its upcoming meeting on September 16th. Now, in the United States, just released, we have producer prices remaining unchanged. However, excluding both food as well as energy, they rose 2.5%. This while advanced retail sales figures fell just short of expectations, calling for a slight rise, posting no change as well. Now, business inventories for the month of July will be released at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Consensus is for a 0.5% month-over-month rise in inventories. And then merger and acquisition news, we have Oak Tree Capital Management Funds placing a $670 million bid for toymaker Jakks Pacific in a letter to the company. Now, Oak Tree owns about 5% of Jakks Pacific, and it intends on taking the company private. However, previous attempts to take over Jakks by Oak Tree have all been turned down.